What's up, Scrappers? Tool Addict Ccscraps channel. Welcome. It's Friday. Just got out of work, and we're at my friend Patrick's work, and we got us a pickup. These look like all camera mounts. Like, this is all new, and I'm feeling like this is, if this is all aluminum, this is going to be really good. I don't have my magnet on me now, but I do know that these are all aluminum. All these little bases. There's some in here too, but we're going to get it loaded up. We got us a switch box. You know, usual suspects, how that works. Got a camera back there, monitors. I will take the wire, but I'm not going, I can't take the monitors. But I don't know if that plugs or not. I think it does. All right, we're gonna load it up. Good morning, Scrappers. Ccscraps channel, welcome. It's Saturday, probably, let's get a time check on here. It's gotta be like 8:30. We were going to do a scrapyard run today, but all these here, you guys, this is a good one. It's all aluminum, y'all. All of it. Except, so, the cable right here, tin, boing, boing, and everything else, and that screw is tin, so those got to come out. But all of this, aluminum, aluminum, aluminum. This whole haul is freaking clean. They'll give me clean. They should give me clean aluminum for this, or extruded. I don't know what they're going to do yet. Most likely going to be extruded because it is kind of coated or painted. So yeah. And and then on these right here, the only thing tin is that. Whoa, I don't want to lose that. For Pete's sake. Uphill battles. So that's tin right there, that little screw, and that little tab behind it, that may be stainless. I can't really get in there. I can't tell if it's stainless or not. But yeah, this is a great haul, and obviously that's tin. But yeah, great haul. Then we got this satellite dish, bed frames. This was 2 doors down, this was across the street. Crappy speakers that are shot. One of my wife's old pans that is finally crapped out on her, and I'll show you why in a minute. I guess this thing happened. See that? How it got really hot right there, which is really weird because this is a heavy bottom pot. Hey, it is what it is. We'll get another one. That's just garbage. Gary, that's for you. Remind me to bring that in for your fuel oil burner. And then just more tin. That's it. But we're gonna do. We're just gonna get this from there to here. Had to jump start the little truck today and run her in a couple weeks, so she's starting to. It's on her way out, man. February will be the last. That's when the registration's up, and it needs some work. It needs a muffler, if you haven't heard already. Probably tires. It's just these winters up here. I mean, they beat the hell. Like, look at this. Like, there's holes. I'm telling you, this is a Ford, so the frame will rust off the body before this engine dies. I mean, I had to jump start. It's the battery, though. It's an old battery. It's not the engine. But yeah, she's a 05. Send her to the scrapyard, or maybe someone will want to buy her for like a farm truck. Maybe $500-600 ought to do it. It's 4-wheel drive. That all runs. Hi, little doggies. My neighbor has beagles. They're adorable. A little loud, but they're beagles and they're cute. So, all right, let's get it loaded up. All right, y'all. So we got that car. We switched the cars around real quick. It's gonna rain. Basically, all the stuff from the wife's car is now in the truck. We went over that earlier in the video, what we got. Boom. Now, old Ccscraps got an early birthday present from Mrs. Ccscraps. This is pretty cool. So, she got me this toolbox at a garage sale, and it's full of tools. Thanks, baby. So we're going to put you upstairs here in the cradle, and we get a bird's eye. So we got you up in the cradle here. Make sure we're recording. Hi everybody, we're recording. All right, so let's pop this bad boy open. So I went through it earlier yesterday to take a look at stuff, but oh, you know we got us another hammer, right? I picked this S-Wing welding chipping hammer up at my job. We sell S-Wing, Milwaukee, Walter, Jet, all sorts of different welders, plasma cutters, hand tools, you name it. Got us a stubby. It's like one of them, air plug tools. Plug your tire. I have a few of these. I might make an awl out of this. I don't know. Got a file. Random wrenches. Taiwan. Another Taiwan. Superb grip. Heavy duty. These are kind of cool. I like these wrenches. These are random, just stuff. I might hang on to these. These things kind of look like cool. I'll probably never use them, but I'm still going to hold on to them. Whoops. Got us a Husky ratchet. An extension. I can't see who makes that. Random tin in here. Allen wrenches. A little adapter, 1/4 inch. More Allen wrenches. I love getting Allen wrenches. I got so many Allen wrenches. I put them over there. Sockets. More Allen wrenches. These, I'm not. Walk away, Ccscraps. Walk away. Allen keys.
Did you find those wire cutters?
Oh, yeah, I did. Hold on. Yeah, I did. Got a little Mrs. Ccscraps a tool.
Whoa, those tools.
Gonna loan Mrs. Ccscraps the bolt cutters.
You think you?
Alright, you're welcome, babe. That castle nut, that's scrap. All this stuff in here is scrap. I'm not going to use it. Goes either. Oh, except that. Good thing I didn't throw that out. Little nut driver. And then we're going to get into this rack here. I'm just going to kind of clean this out. Put that in the scrap bin. They fake you out as brass, but they're not. So yeah, this toolbox was bought at Kmart. There's a little price tag right here. It says $5.97. So this thing's old. So let's check out what we got on the. Got a random nut driver. Set of these little auto wrenches, I call them. Another stubby. That might be a Klein. I just can't see it. It's going to go with the stubby collection. A few Taiwan screwdrivers. Taiwan makes a decent product. I like this screwdriver right here. I don't know the maker's mark on it, but I have random bits for this. See, they come off and you can switch the shanks out. Shank. But yeah, we'll go with that. A pair of vice grips, always good to have. Shop craft. China. All right, thanks, China. Always use a good pair of vice grips. They need a little PB blaster on this, though. We're gonna deal with that in a little while. Barjon. Another crescent wrench. This is going to need some more love. I'm going to add it to that collection there. I got a shitload of crescent wrenches apparently now. Yeah, yeah, that's another story. Anyway, my friend Gary at work told me that I should categorize everything on a spreadsheet. Which is probably correct. But that would, I don't even know how to go about doing that. That would be like a nightmare. I'd have to have an assistant for that. KC Pro, made in the USA, Phillips screwdriver. Got a serial number on there. I know some of you guys like to see the serial numbers. Can you see that? It's freaking backwards. There we go. I got a Stanley. I have a Stanley actually that matches this that way. Another Taiwan Torx bit. Wrench. This was given to me by my friend, my coworker Gary, his friend Gene. He gave me 2 hammers. One unscrews here and it had a flathead on the shank, but Mrs. Ccscraps like that one, so we gave her that one. She says it's for her collection. Didn't know she was collecting tools, but okay. I'm good with that. Or the merrier. This big old pair of vice grips. Like, I don't know, there's no maker's mark on these, but I feel that they're pretty old because I know a lot of modern ones have that release right here that I've seen. You know, like I don't know, for instance, my little Harbor Freight ones I have that work. See how it's got that little doo-doo. Yeah, this thing's cool. I like it. Then I got a set of these precision little tiny wrenches here. More Allen keys. Another open-end wrench. Ew, there's something on that. I don't know what it is. Torx driver. Boop. And that's it. And then the top piece. And then this is all scrap in here. Just more nuts and bolts that I'm not going to use. Yep, you heard me right. Old Ccscraps is not going to use those nuts and bolts. So how about that for a quick tool haul, you guys? Put this, I guess, back in the box. Then we're going to just kind of go through these a little later on in the day. And we're going to put everything it's supposed to be. Great find. Thanks, baby. Pretty stoked about that. But this could be just random, I don't know, whatever, random stuff. But you know this is going on the hammer wall. That swing's going on the hammer wall. We're going to do an inventory of all Ccscraps' hammers. You know, let's do that. Sit tight. All right, so let's take a count on the hammer wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So there's 56 on the wall, right? Might have counted one twice. 56. Then I got these sledges. 57, 58. These two guys right here. They need help. That I got for $5. I think this was some kind of like, you know, like when you need a soft blow, but you need a heavy hammer. And this maybe was driving spikes. Maybe this was for driving big spikes, and this was for like setting timbers, maybe. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know. I believe this was a quarry hammer. So that goes there. So there's 58 there. Now we're going to stop for a second. Oh, actually, I got some new subscribers this week. Some subscribers, you guys don't have videos, so I can't really watch anything, but I appreciate it very much so that you enjoy my content. And one channel that subscribed to mine and is You Want to Watch This. I think his name's George. Don't know where you're from. I saw New Jersey's Devil sticker, so maybe you're from Jersey. I don't know. So anyway, thanks for the subscription. And dude, cool channel, man. If you guys are watching this, anybody that's tuning into my channel and you don't know about this channel, check it out. You want to watch this. All one word. If you are watching this, you want to watch this, that bench grinder cart you have, you thinking of some suggestions. This is an idea. You know how you have like the one in the back? What if you put that polisher in the front like this, and then the other two that you have, set one on this side, one on this side. That way you can come up and, polish here. If you got to grind, you can stand over here, and then you can stand over to the next one, and then you can still move your cart around. And then you can put stuff in the middle, like all your wheels and stuff like that. I don't know. Just an idea. But yeah, I know how it is to have limited space. I was lucky enough to have a bigger shop this time from our old apartment. So yeah. So there's 58 hammers here. Now I got some over here that I picked up along the way, and you guys, if they don't have heads on them, so we're still going to count them as hammers. Sit tight. All right, so here's the rest of them. So that was 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74 hammers. I don't understand why I thought I had 189. Maybe it's screwdrivers. I don't know now. Now I gotta like I said, man, my buddy at work, Gary, he said I should put everything on a spreadsheet. Maybe he's right. I don't know now. I've so many tools, you guys, and they just keep coming, like wrenches. I mean, those are just bigger wrenches that I have no spots for. These are all my pipe wrenches. And I got another pipe wrench laying around here somewhere right here that I got to finish drilling out, and we're going to hang that on the thing. Those big giant pipe cutters right there. Look at that one. It's rusty as hell. These all need restores. I found this on the side of the road, this big one, along with this bench. Yeah, man. It was a good find that day. But hopefully you enjoy this video, and we're going to get some of these hammers hung up on the wall and the rest back in this little box for another job down the road. I got so much stuff. You know what has to happen? I think my wife, she needs to get discovered by the Food Network. If you want to check out some really good recipes, check out Christina's Crystalline Catering, I think it is. Or Christina's Crystalline. Oh, crap, she's going to shoot me and it's on camera. I forgot. But I'll put a little blurb down here for you. And then there'll be, see if I can put a link in the description to her channel. That would be cool. You guys will love it, man. You'll get hungry just watching it. You'll see the old shop in there too, and well, not on her channel, but you'll see there's a video that I have called One Crazy Day, and it's of us of our old apartment, and her video that kind of corresponds with that video is called Day Drinking. I suggest you check it out. It's pretty damn funny. You'll see you'll see the way I'm seeing it, and you'll see the way she's seeing it. So it's pretty funny. And they're only within a couple hours of each other. So I'm out in my shop doing stuff, and then she's like, hey, come upstairs. I get a text or a call or something, and I kind of pause the camera and I go upstairs, and then yeah, you'll see it. Just Day Drinking and One Crazy Day. But I'll put a link to her description. Let's get this video up, you guys. Thanks for listening to hear me rant. Look at my hammer collection. And, oh, by the way, Scout Crafter John, your last video Wednesday, I think it was, you had that Dietz Globe, Syracuse, New York, man, that lantern. Very cool, right? I think Dietz is still around here, too, if I'm not mistaken. I feel like I've seen it or seen more stuff around here that says Dietz. I don't know. I'd have to look into that a little more before I start talking. But I think it's still around. I think. I could be wrong. I'm questioning it. Anyway, we get these hammers up, and we'll see you on the next Ccscraps. Y'all have a great weekend. Peace.